Hi, I'm David Loshin. I'm the president of Knowledge Integrity. The question for this Ask the Expert segment is, how do you measure data quality? The measure of the quality of data is gauged by the degree to which it meets the business uses. And this poses some interesting challenges. First, the variant expectations of different data consumers means that there's never going to be an absolute definition of data quality. Second, on the other hand, there are different characteristics of data that lend themselves to measurement with respect to what is expected to be seen by those business users. To that end, let's change the question a little bit. How do you measure the degree to which data meets those business expectations? That's a little more easily answered, since we can be more precise in defining what meeting business expectations actually means. We can consider three different notions that will help in solving this problem. Number one, dimensions of data quality. Number two, definitions of business rules that quantify measurement against those dimensions. And number three, acceptability thresholds that define what is really meant by being acceptable with respect to the quality of that data. So let's look at an example of a dimension of data quality, completeness. Presuming that we're using customer data, one consumer of that data may be the telemarketing team. Members of this team must be able to identify each customer and contact them using a specific contact mechanism, a telephone. To do this, the team member should probably have the customer's first name, the customer's last name, but must have a telephone number. This defines the expectation. Those three data elements must be complete. We can specify the business rule for measurement as well, validating that those fields are not null. So lastly, the telemarketing manager expects that at least 90% of the records that are provided have all the required information, and that sets the acceptability threshold at 90%. So now we have a means for measuring at least one aspect of data quality for a specific business use for a specific data set. Iterating this process for different business uses, data sets, dimensions, measurements, etc. provides a framework for scoring the quality of data in a quantifiable way. For more information on data quality dimensions and establishing data quality business rules, I recommend my book on data quality called Enterprise Knowledge Management, the Data Quality Approach. This book has a chapter on data quality dimensions and provides ideas for defining data quality business rules. Thanks for listening. If you have a question on this topic, please submit it in the text box provided.
This Ask the Expert segment is sponsored by Datopia. Datopia, free your data.